Hey Frugivore, welcome back. So I lasted 2 weeks with the videos, and I'm very sorry that I have left you after 2 weeks making these daily videos. The reason I did leave, the reason I have stopped, is because it just doesn't feel like I'm being as productive as I could be by posting on YouTube this much. It seems like the more I post, the less people see the videos. You know, the views are going down and people aren't really getting the message, and I like to be productive when I'm making these videos. And, you know, after all these years to see it just tanking so much is, yeah, it's a bit of a challenge. But what I've decided to do is I'm going to try to ramp up my Instagram a bit, all right? Because YouTube has me in this little box. They're not letting me out of my little cage. So I'm hoping I can do something on Instagram. And I'm also obviously going to do these like food forest videos. I know I've been speaking about it a long time, but you just have to trust me. They will be coming, and I will be putting, you know, much more time into that. But I will be posting here. I will be posting here, so don't go anywhere. You know, but just not as often as every single day. Yeah, so join me on Instagram. I'm going to do reaction videos and what I eat in a day videos there, and see how I go. If I can, you know, I feel like I can reach a lot of new people there, and I don't want you to think that I don't appreciate you. I appreciate all of you coming and watching these videos, but I do want to be really effective and efficient and, you know, get the message out as best as I can. I don't feel like this is working at this point. So I hope you understand. Come over to Instagram, and I am going to be back on with the Food Forest videos. They'll come when they come. And I'm also working on a couple of books at the moment, so stay tuned for that. And thanks for being here while we've been making these videos. And I do enjoy making them, and I will continue, but just not every single day. All right. Don't forget to go for it yourself, and I'll talk to you soon.